For a lot of people, the value of concepts like access or internet is still abstract. They care and relate more to applications and content. It's therefore a bit strange that they're supposed to pay for the whole World Wide Web when they never even open a mobile web browser. Maybe they should be given the option to choose less and offered one-trick pony? Access to a single service like a social network, a newspaper or a video channel, bundled with sufficient access and a mobile device. You can charge based on usage, a set monthly fee or a pay-per-episode basis. And all of a sudden, you're selling mobile broadband to people who would never have considered it otherwise. Unplug. Let's rethink mobile broadband.